Hi, welcome to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and today we're working on the About and Ingredients sections of Mielora, our bee-powered skincare brand. Let's dive right in. Here's where our audience's curiosity turns into trust. I keep my phrasing simple and I place my star product, our honey jar-inspired protective serum, along with the floral sketches I used on my packaging. I include these cute bee sketches and place one above my eye instead of a dot, and I tie it into the next section with a larger bee suspended between colors. I place my hive background graphic and I add a short headline to introduce my ingredients. I create a simple 3-column grid: raw honey, propolis, and royal jelly. Each ingredient gets one clear sentence. I create my boxes, drop in the corresponding information and imagery. So this section is important because it acts as a bridge. It connects the emotional story from the hero to the practical question of, why should I trust this brand? This is also where clarity matters. People don't want long paragraphs or complicated claims. They want to understand what they're putting on their skin quickly and clearly. By keeping each ingredient to one clear sentence, I make the information easy to scan and easy to remember. This balance between emotion and clarity is what turns interest into trust. To reinforce trust, I include feature highlights like cruelty-free, no harsh additives, and responsibly sourced ingredients. Visually, I keep this section airy, using a soft color divider as well as icons. Once the ingredients section is complete, the page can naturally flow into the product showcase. In the next video, we'll design the product section and showcase our packaging design. I've also prepared this page for you as a downloadable template that you can add into your account. Let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you in the next Design Lab video.